Robert Heffernan, Endotech, exclusively for the Pareto Network. I could use some network. The Pareto Network, and Endotech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily segment talking what's going on in the crypto sphere. I'm a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix. That's what blockchain is, man. It is all digital. And thank God it is. And blockchain at its heart is immutable, trustworthy, because it's not controlled by one entity, a distributed ledger. It's fairer, more equitable, more transparent. These are the things that are, and the fact that the Bitcoin protocol solved the double spend problem, which has plagued man throughout history. Now we just have the double printing problem still in fiat currencies, where the printing press just rolls, a la Venezuela. Let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, a little segment we do every day, talking cryptos. And a couple of things, obviously, in the news right off the bat is that the SEC slapping down again ETFs based on Bitcoin. And I got to tell you, I don't know what the big deal is on this. I really don't. Bitcoin had a great run up yesterday. And some people saying that was from, having a hard time with my chart here, from a bunch of Tether being printed. And I don't fully understand how that relationship works, that Tether printing causes Bitcoin to rally. So I'm going to plead the fifth on making any comment towards that. But they gave it away, and they gave it away well before this ETF news was out. And where did they go to? 69.20-ish, right? The weekly average of Bitcoin, 68.01. I figured they'd go test that level out. A lot of times on weeklies, the first time to it, it's to it, back off, and then through it. So we got the to it. We have backed off it. I think the next sequence here, as long as we can hold this lower momentum level, I kind of think that's where we go back to it. And those momentum levels I will share in the Vitals segment, the Market Vitals, taking the Vitals segment. But you need to be an Endotech subscriber or a Pareto token holder in order to consume that content. Some other things that caught my eye in the crypto sphere, Canadian government coming out with a blockchain protocol, ERC20 protocol, for people to more easily find out information on government grants, information on discoveries, I believe. Again, now you got governments understanding that this technology can make things a lot more transparent, a lot easier for people to interact with, much more uncorruptible as it may be. And let me tell you something, if there's one thing government needs is systems that are less corruptible than what we have in place. That is what I hope for on the government side with the blockchain. Corruption and graft and skimming and all of these things that plague government systems hopefully will be addressed in the coming years with the blockchain. And I can't wait to see it. How about that? I can't wait to see it. All right, listen, again, the ETF news, not helping, but for me, I just don't, there's lots of things that have traded very successfully for many, 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 many years, decades even, without an ETF. And the ease of access to this asset class will be such that I just don't see the need for an ETF. I really don't. As we move forward, the technology and the interfacing and the wallet company's ability to interface with the general public is going to make it seamless and easy to invest in the sector. So the ETF, it plays to giant institutions. And you know what? Why should they have it easy, right? Get off your ass and figure out how to invest a giant sum of money in it, and not just rely on an ETF to make your life easier. You know what? If you're a big company and you want to invest, you're a big fund. Figure it out. All right. And the Tom, Dick, and Harry, the average Joe, the wallet companies are going to do a fantastic job at making sure it's easy for them to get on board. All right, let's take the vitals. Before I do that, I need to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. So